Hi everybody, I'm Chef Pat Marone, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite pasta dishes. A dish which I call Penne alla Cognac. Now we're going to start our pasta dish. I have 4 cups of Pomodoro sauce, which I made earlier. Pomodoro sauce is a little bit of onions, garlic, sauteed up with fresh San Marzano tomatoes that I got out of the can. I have a Pomodoro sauce recipe on idealchef.com. You can get the recipe there under Chef Pat Marone. I have 1/8 of a pound of prosciutto. It might be a little bit more in here. I had 3 ounces I bought at the supermarket. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have some grated cheese. I have a cup of heavy cream. And I have about 3 shallots diced up. And I have basil. Right now I have my pasta cooking in the water right now. It's penne pasta. And I have my oil in the pan and it's heating up and getting ready for me to start my dish. Oil is hot and I'm going to add my shallots. I'm going to sweat these shallots down nice. And we're just going to add our prosciutto in. The prosciutto, I did a rough cut on it. Didn't really do a fine dice. I'm going to let them cook together. I'm going to separate this. I'm going to let this cook together for about 2 minutes. Alright, I got the prosciutto cooking down. I'm going to throw a little bit of red chili pepper in there, chili pepper flakes. Cook it up a little bit more. Okay, the prosciutto is cooked down nice. Now we're going to add my Pomodoro sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh basil. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to put any salt in here because the prosciutto throws off salt and I got the pasta salt and I don't want to make it too salty. I'm going to add some heavy cream, a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to let that cook down nice. I forgot to mention one main ingredient in the beginning when I was telling you all the ingredients in the dish. Half a cup of cognac or brandy. Today I'm using brandy because I don't have any cognac in the house. We can use either or. And what we do is, come over here and we'll see, stay back. What we do is we put it in, we have the sauce cooking for about 5 minutes. What we do is we flame it up a little bit. And just like that. When you're at home, be careful. Don't stand close to the stove. We don't want you to lose your eyelashes or your hair. It'll look like Telly Savalas. Okay, we'll let that cook for 2 minutes. Now we're ready to finish the dish. We're going to put our pasta in here. Look at that. Boy, that looks nice. And it smells good too. We just toss that around there for a few minutes. Make sure our pasta is made al dente, and it's going to cook a little bit more in the pot. That's it. We'll cook it for another minute or 2, and we'll add some cheese and finish it off. Now we're going to finish it off. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, just a little, a couple of handfuls. I like cheese. You don't already realize that. I like cheese. I'm going to hit it with a little bit more fresh basil, and that's it. I'm going to shake it over, and we're going to plate it. Now we're going to plate it, and then we're going to taste it. Look at that. That looks good. And it smells good. Look at that. That looks nice. Top it with a little bit more cheese. Nice like that. And we're going to garnish it with a little bit more fresh basil. And there it is, Penne alla Cognac. Now we're going to do the taste test. Get some in here. Let's check it out. On the plate. Here we go. This is so good. I have to try some more. Oh. It was really good. One of my favorite pasta dishes. I hope all of you get to try to make it yourself. I guarantee you're going to love it. Thank you for watching my video on Penne alla Cognac. Take care of it.